Hey guys, another video for our food and eating in Japan playlist. It's very rare for us to eat from Domino's Pizza. We find that there are so many better alternatives that we prefer. However, this particular night we found ourselves in there and found this rather interesting. So it's plastic, of course, or probably wax. So isn't that interesting, because it's like the rest of the Domino store is probably exactly the same as all the other franchises around the world. However, they've got the plastic food going on so that the Japanese customers can see what they can get. And of course, typical plastic Japanese food, very, very convincing, very realistic and very tasty looking. Actually, while I think of it, I'll put a link in underneath this video for Fake Food Japan. If you guys are interested in some good Christmas presents, you can get some fake food. Don't know if he does pizza, but he does just about everything else. So they've got their kurisumasu menu because Kentucky Fried Chicken convinced Japanese people years ago that fried chicken and Christmas are synonymous. So as a result of that, just about every restaurant, every food shop in Japan, every takeaway store, every convenience store, all start selling fried chicken this time of year because they've convinced everybody that that's what you have to eat for Christmas. Fried chicken and strawberry shortcake, apparently. So that's their Christmas special menu for Christmas. The traditional Domino's Christmas lunch. And there's their standard menu. So we do like it. It is good, but just compared with the other alternatives that we can get, and the cost is a little bit higher when you compare it to what we get in family restaurants and other things like that. So, you know, sushi restaurants and things. So, but anyway, it was all right, and the plastic food was interesting. More videos coming soon.